Hi guys and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing my anniversary gift. By the way guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Actually, I have already opened the box, but I wanted to unbox it with you as well. I literally just could not resist. It has been on my wish list for several years. I'm just obsessed with it. It's pretty cool that Hermès adds a year to the ribbon. Typically, if it's my dream item or something that I wanted for many years, I actually tend to not to open the box right away. I was even thinking of doing it again, but then I just went for it. It's such a stunning bag. I also ordered the bag insert from Amazon and it arrived, so it also motivated me to start using it as soon as possible. And here it is. I'm just so obsessed with it. It's my absolute favorite size 25, and I'll also show to you guys how it looks on me. It's in color gray and it also has gold hardware, and I just love that combination. By the way, it's also in a toggle leather, and I'm just such a huge fan of the toggle leather. I love the texture and it's also very durable. I just can't believe it's finally mine. I'm so in love with it. And of course, here is the receipt. I will not open it though. I will show you how the bag looks inside. It's pretty spacious. It can fit in a lot of things, and that's why I love this size. I can fit in all my essentials, and also the size is not heavy, which is important for me because I try to walk a lot on purpose. If there is an opportunity to take a walk, I definitely do that. So having to carry a heavy bag is not an option for me. That's why in the future I will only go for this size, that's for sure. I will keep some of the stickers, but of course some I will remove. I usually try to keep them as long as possible because I'm trying to avoid scratches, and it's very easy to scratch this hardware. I used to have a Kelly bag in a size 28 and it got scuffed and scratched so easily, so I'm a bit paranoid. I don't want this to happen again. But of course you cannot keep these stickers for a long time. Otherwise, they can just damage the hardware. Sometimes when I see people wearing them for like literally several years, I wonder if they left any permanent damage. I prefer to put the straps here because I feel like it looks a bit more neat, but actually sometimes I just wear it the way it is because it's simply easier to get inside of the bag. I just love this color. It's my most favorite, and also it looks a bit different in a different light. In a darker light it looks darker, and at the bright light it looks lighter, which is so cool. It's like a chameleon. Actually, about 35% of my wardrobe is in cream or acro color. I'm just obsessed with this color combination. And I never had a perfect bag to pair with all that clothes, and now I finally have. The color matches so perfectly, and I might even get more clothes in the cream color. It's just so stunning and it's my favorite. In the past, I always felt like something is missing, even though I have other colors, like the white shade of my bags is not exactly the same. But now this issue is definitely resolved because it's gonna match everything perfectly. And also it will look amazing with Van Cleef & Arpels jewelry. The gray bag is just going to complement the whole look, and I'm just so in love with it. By the way guys, if you're interested in VCA mother of pearl videos, I will link down some below in case you want to check them out. Lots of people are afraid to add light color bag because they're scared that it will get dirty, it will have the color transfer, but I had my Chanel bag for about 5 years and it still looks pretty new. I'll show to you the shade of white as well. It's a lot lighter. I'm not worried about these issues at all. Here is my Chanel bag. You can see it still looks quite new. and I have to say that I have been using it non-stop. I literally wear it to work almost every single time. I'm obsessed with the shade of white, and this one is quite different, so it means that I will have some diversity. I will wear the white with the more white clothes and the gray or ecru with the darker clothes, which is perfect because I have a lot of clothes in that shade. And by the way, guys, I'm thinking to record a video where I will compare Chanel Classic Flap versus the Birkin. I'll talk about pros and cons of the both, so if you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider to do so. And by the way, guys, here are the all shades of the white. So mine is gray. You can see the gray color is a bit similar to the Beton, but it's a bit more yellow. Not the whitest shade here, but it's just perfect for a lot of clothes and shoes. I kind of feel like this shade blends in with other clothes that I wear, whether it's lighter or darker. It's like it adjusts so perfectly. I'm obsessed with it, and it will be forever my special one. I find this design very versatile, and I also tend to wear it in my hands as well. It's a relatively light bag and it feels quite comfortable. I have not decided if I'll be adding twillies to it. I kind of like this look. If I add any, they would have to be in the same shade so that they don't stand out too much. Also, I love to wear my Birkin this way, especially if I'm in a very crowded area. I have to make sure that no one will bump into my bag because it can damage it. And sometimes I wear it in my hand. I just love that look as well, and it's quite convenient, especially if I wear jackets or sweaters with thick sleeves. Also, I was told that this shade is quite rare. Usually they have Kellys in this color, but I actually prefer Birkins. I used to have Kelly and I did not use it so often. I feel like Birkin is more my style. And by the way, guys, I have recently posted a video where I reviewed Birkin 25. I will link it down for you in case you want to check it out. I talked about pros and cons, how I store it, and the colors that I love. I also bought some accessories for the bag. I want to keep it looking like new for as long as possible. I ordered this from Amazon, and these are specifically for Birkin 25. This is a bag protector, and this is in the same shade, in the color gray. I mean, at least it says on the website. It will help to retain the shape of the bag, avoid the damage with sharp objects, and of course make things easier to find in my bag. And I usually use most of the compartments. It's just the best. I ordered it in a silk to make sure that it's light. In the past I used to have very thick bag organizer and it just was so uncomfortable. And here are the silicone caps to protect the legs of the bag. I also found these ones on Amazon. These are so convenient. I'm just gonna remove the current stickers and place the silicone caps. I literally just put it on top and that's it. And here is my first Hermès Birkin 25. I have been using it so often, and you can see that the stickers even started coming off. Today I will take off all the stickers from my bag and I will put the silicone caps instead. Anyways, guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it, and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!